victory is in our hands.
Logtime les da la bienvenida al Dakar 2011.
For the penultimate Chilean stage of the 2011 Dakar, the organizers have designed a particularly challenging route. This stage 8 was 508 kilometers long with sand dunes, off-tracks and rios. In the bike category, Francisco Chaleco Lopez, the regional rider, started first this morning. He was followed 2 minutes later by France's Cyril Després. The first major event of the day came from Paulo Gonçalves, who fell and broke a collarbone. This meant the end of the Dakar for the Portuguese. Marc Coma took the lead at kilometer 55 and the Spaniard was still the fastest at kilometer 191. At that point, Cyril Després was 2 minutes adrift and Chaleco was 4 minutes and 22 seconds late. The outcome of the stage could be in favor of Coma, the overall leader, who had an opportunity there to reaffirm his superiority over his pursuers. It looked like he was determined to keep the lead. At kilometer 223, he was still ahead. In the end, Marc Coma has triumphed, picking up his third victory on this 33rd edition of the Dakar and the 14th of his career. Després and Coma were second and third. As a result, in the general standings, the leader Marc Coma now has a lead of 9 minutes 19 seconds over his nearest rival Cyril Després. In the car section, the overall leader at the start in Antofagasta was still Carlos Sainz, his teammate Nasser Al-Attiyah in second position. The Qatari driver was the first to take off after this stage win on Sunday. But it cost him some time as he was opening the day. As a consequence, at kilometer 45, the provisional best time was detained by Mark Miller. The American driver was followed by Stéphane Petterancel and Giniel de Villiers. Carlos Sainz, for his part, has always been well placed since the start of the rally. The early hours this Monday were a bit complicated for him, but then the Volkswagen pilot accelerated and took command of the competition at kilometer 119. Once again, bad luck or the heavy weight of his car caused Stéphane Petterancel a new puncture. He trailed over 3 minutes behind Sainz. But there was a dramatic turn of events in the last kilometers of this special stage. As he was still leading before checkpoint 6, Carlos Sainz got stuck in the dunes twice, unlike his teammate Al-Attiyah, who made the most of this situation. The most because he clinched the stage win and took over the lead in the general standings. Now Al-Attiyah is 5 minutes and 14 seconds ahead of the Spanish title holder.